And after you connect the air supply to this main machine, and you can open it. You can open it like this, and so that you have the air supply to the machine. And this one will need to be 0.6 to 0.8 ampere for the machine running. And here is the main switch of the machine, and you can turn on the machine from here. And also, after you turn on the machine, you will have the read numbers for the air compressor here. Okay. And after you turn on the machine, you will have the touch screen for here, and you can choose the English touch screen to enter the auto screen. Also, this one you can also open it from the main machine, main screen, the control panel, and then you go to the English operating screen. And then you can place the tubes. You can put all the tubes on the hopper, and also can put the boxes here, unfolded boxes here, and then put it like this. Yeah, put it like this. 你拿一下，不是拿后面，拿后面，搭住。Yeah, put it like this. Yeah, in this way, you put it here.
就说这个条形码在下面就行了。
With the barcode on the bottom of the box, and then you put it like this, and you press it tightly here. So when the machine, it will suck the box into here, and then like this. It will become like this.